Today, we process more information weekly than our ancestors did in their entire lives. Our brains weren't made for this, and whether we realize it or not, we're all experiencing negative effects on our mental health. But what if you could strengthen your brain? To achieve mental well-being, better performance, and overall health, introducing Mendi. Mendi is the world's most powerful brain training product. Developed in one of Europe's leading clinics, Mendi is the first clinical-grade brain training system designed for home use. Unlike mental exercises or meditation, which train your mind in order to strengthen your brain, Mendi lets you train your brain directly. Anytime, anywhere, and as often as you like.
Today, brain enhancement training happens at clinics. It's commonly used by top athletes and executives to maximize health and performance. But training often costs $100 or more per session, so it's not really been accessible to the average person.
But with Mendi, anyone can train their brain. Setup takes less than 30 seconds. Simply put on the headset, choose the training duration, and control the game.
I went from being Mendi's first investor to being its CEO. At first, I thought it was promising, but as I started using the product and making noticeable changes week after week, that's when I thought to myself, the world needs to know about this. Most users only need 2 to 3 10-minute sessions per week to achieve optimal results.
Here's how it works. Your brain learns from feedback. Through live, visual feedback of what your brain is doing, you can naturally train it to function better. Mendi's headset measures your brain activity through a unique combination of features, including blood flow and oxygenation in the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as measuring fuel in your brain's control center. Your brain activity is then visualized in a training game, a game you control using only your brain. When you focus properly, oxygen and nutrients flow to your prefrontal cortex and the waves will rise. By rewarding you with positive feedback, the training conditions you to increase energy to your brain's control center. Over time, you strengthen the muscles that control and run your entire brain.
I'm excited to see this technology being used in a consumer device for the first time. The portability opens many new doors.
Mendi's become one of my most useful tools in the clinic, but most importantly is that they can bring it home and practice. And what we see consistently is that they're performing better, they're having healthier bodies and minds.
My colleagues and I have been training with Mendi for the past few months and we were fascinated by it. I think it has the potential to change many lives.
Mendi is 100% designed and manufactured in Sweden. Our team includes doctors, researchers, designers, and hardware experts. We're backed by Sweden's top incubator, investors, and we've even received funding by the EU. In 2019, we shipped hundreds of working devices for beta testing. And starting earlier this year, we opened up the Mendi Brain Gym, a public place where anyone can train with Mendi for free. From mental focus to improved health, training with Mendi has helped many people.
My life dramatically improved the day that Sammy and Rickard gave me the opportunity to try Mendi. And it is my mission to give you access to the same type of training. This is unlike most Indiegogo campaigns in that Mendi already has a fully functioning product that has helped many people. I am one of them. We are here to build a community and to listen to your feedback. We know Mendi can change millions of lives, and together we can bring this to the masses. Join us.
We are Velites and we have created the only piece of fitness equipment that you will need to stay or get fit.
From legendary boxers to runners, Olympian and top athletes, all have been using this simple device since the Egyptians ruled the world.
Jump roping has been the best way to increase stamina, balance and endurance for centuries. But sadly though, most jump ropes out there, yeah, they kinda suck.
That is why in Velites, we decided it was time to reinvent the whole jump rope concept, making it more accessible, fun and effective.
And this is the result, the Earth 2.0 jump rope training system.
Why is it different? Well, it's not only because it's made of spaceship-grade aluminium, or that we designed the most innovative cable switching system on the market to get you to change cables super fast and easy, And no, it's not because it's the only rope ever created to go from 200 grams up to 1 kilogram to build technique and muscle faster. It's because the Earth Jump Rope is a complete training system that will cover any fitness objective you might have. Using the Velites training app included, you won't ever get left alone again. 1,000 plus workouts and training programs based on your fitness objective. Get motivated with our proprietary coach mode algorithm, compatible with your favorite music.
We can do this!
Learn all jump rope techniques step by step by a world champion teacher at the academy, track your results, and even get customized workouts based on gear you already have. That is why we got you covered with any fitness objective you might have. Want to get lean and lose those extra kilos from the summer party? Train 20 minutes a day and get those abs shining again.
Like heavy stuff? Add the 8mm monster cable and the complete sets of weights and start jumping if you still can.
Oh! Or maybe you like kicking ass. No worries, you can still do that and increase coordination and endurance at the same time to kick ass with even more precision. Double under freak? Just add the 2.5mm speed cable and crush those workouts like never before. Even if your thing is showing off, the Earth 2.0 jump rope spins in every direction with no tangling whatsoever. So yeah, we did it. A truly practical fitness solution to train anytime, anywhere.
Very nice rope, looking forward for it to come out.
It was nice, it felt strange just to have something heavier than usual in the hands, and I don't know, I liked it. There's more inertia, you know, more weight the better.
It was definitely a good workout. I like lifting, so I really felt it in my muscles compared to a regular rope, so it was very good, very challenging.
And now we need you. Please help us fund the Earth 2.0 training system and put this high-end fitness equipment in your hands.